Are you having problems with Verizon HBJ not locating the BlueJeans Detector Resource Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I've diagnosed the pathing error and I'm going to show you how to restore the file. Avoid long manual edits for BlueJeans Detector Resource Library by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the BlueJeans Detector Resource Library, the localized resource library for the BlueJeans video conferencing meeting detector. It houses the text strings and icons for the background listener. If missing, the conference client will report resource load failure or will fail to display notifications for incoming calls. With the explanation out of the way, let's refresh the affected files. Since BlueJeans Detector Resource Library DLL is often tied to 3D rendering, the standard fix is to refresh your graphics runtime. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX components, then perform a clean GPU driver update to address any OpenCL or CUDA conflicts. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing BlueJeans Detector Resource Library message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. Since the restart didn't reset the service, we'll manually trigger the refresh now. If you need to pause the video anytime during these instructions, go ahead. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Before you proceed, let's touch on the essential safety standards for handling shared library files. Most individual downloads of BlueJeans Detector Resource Library DLL are not digitally signed, meaning they haven't been verified for safety by the original software developer. For those looking for a professional-grade monitoring resource, I've provided a link to a diagnostic tool for you below. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below, related to managing BlueJeans Detector Resource Library references. Thank you for trusting us with your system repair today. For more configuration tips and BlueJeans Detector Resource Library error resolutions, don't forget to like and subscribe.